Hi there, this week we're doing a very complicated tutorial. We're doing this beautiful grape autumn leaf which has lots of fabulously rich and wonderful autumn colours, and that is sitting behind a bunch of grapes which is from the local farm where I live, and it's got a beautiful bright green leaf that's catching the light sitting behind that. So we're going to be working on just the leaves, but there's going to be a lot of really fine detail on this. So you could just do a little corner, or you could just have a go at one of them, or just have a little play at some of the techniques, or you could paint the whole thing along with me. The techniques are quite tricky and are quite sort of fiddly, but the results at the end of the day I hope you'll think are rather special.